Welcome back to the ebook experience. I'm your host Mr. Wolf, and today we're having an exciting episode dedicated to exploring the role of creativity in self-improvement. We will be diving into a renowned book that has inspired the countless artists and individuals on a creative journey. That book is none other than The Artist's Way by Julia Cameron. But before we delve into the book, let's take a moment to learn about the brilliant author herself. Julia Cameron is an American writer, artist and a filmmaker who has made a significant impact in the field of creativity and self-expression. With a career spanning several decades, she has authored numerous books, plays and screenplays, all focused on empowering individuals to tap into their creative potential. Now, let's turn our attention to The Artist's Way. Published in 1992, this transformative book has become a cornerstone for artists, writers, musicians, and anyone seeking reconnect with their creative spirit. At its core, The Artist's Way provides a 12-week program designed to unblock creativity and help individuals overcome self-doubt and fear. The philosophy behind The Artist's Way can be summed up in one word: empowerment. Julia Cameron believes that each and every one of us has an innate creative ability, often stifled by the demands of daily life and societal expectation. By embracing our creative impulse, we can tap into a wellspring of inspiration, joy, and personal growth. The book outlines several basic principles and practices to guide readers on their creative journey. The first principle is the concept of morning pages. This involves writing 3 pages of stream of consciousness thoughts every morning, allowing your inner voice to freely express itself without judgment or censorship. The act of morning pages serve as a tool for clearing mental clutter, reducing anxiety, and opening up space for fresh ideas to emerge. Another fundamental practice highlighted in The Artist's Way is the concept of artist date. This involves setting aside time each week to nurture your creative soul by engaging in activities that inspire and excite you. Whether it's visiting an art gallery, taking a long nature walk, or trying a new hobby, the artist date provides an opportunity for self-reflection, exploration, and rejuvenation. The book also embraces the importance of self-care and self-compassion in the creative process. Julia Cameron encourages the readers to prioritize their well-being, engage in regular activities that bring them joy, and let go of the need of perfection. By nurturing our inner artist with kindness and patience, we create an environment conducive to growth and self-improvement. As we explore The Artist's Way through this podcast series, we will be delving deeper into each of these principles, sharing practical tips and personal experience along the way. We hope to inspire you to embark on your creative journey, whether you identify as an artist or simply someone seeking personal growth and fulfillment. That wraps our introduction to the role of creativity in self-improvement and our brief overview of Julia Cameron's transformative book, The Artist's Way. In the upcoming episode, we will be examining each chapter, discussing exercises, and sharing insight that will help you unlock your creative potential. Thank you for joining us today. We look forward to exploring the world of creativity and self-discovery with you. Remember, your creative spirit is waited to be unleashed. So embrace the journey and let your imagination soar.